Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active, and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the alarm icon. Looks like this. Tap on it. And here we can set the alarm clocks by simply tapping on the Add Alarm, setting the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on minutes and hours, and AM and PM, then tapping on the check mark, and here we can select the days on which the alarm should repeat. So for example, if I select Monday and Friday, the alarm will repeat on every Monday and Friday. If I select none, it will go off only once and won't repeat. So select the days you like, then tap on OK. And here we have our alarm. You can have multiple ones by tapping on the plus and adding them. Like that. You can turn them on or off by tapping on the switch. And if you want to remove the alarm, tap on the alarm you want to remove, scroll down and tap on delete. Also, you can edit the alarm, so you can tap on it and you can change the time again, you can change the repeat option, and you can also add a label if you want to. So you can type something like whatever, I'm just gonna type in gibberish and then tap on the check mark, tap on OK. And if you go back, you will see the label right here. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.